Hi, this is Electronics. Has ever happened to you that you couldn't solder parts or wires to the PCB? In this video I will show you how to clean copper wires and PCBs before soldering or etching. I will use this old wire to show you how it is done. You need a cup of vinegar and a cup of water, as you see I already prepared. You add some salt to the vinegar and you mix it up. First, the vinegar solution is used for 5 minutes or longer if necessary. Next, you add baking soda to the water. This will neutralize the vinegar's acid property and the wire will not corrode further. Be careful, if you expose the wire to air for a long time after the vinegar solution, it will corrode fast, so be sure the baking soda solution is ready to be used. After that, it is placed in the second solution for about 10 seconds. Here's the result. The wire is clean and ready to be soldered. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if you want to see more similar videos.